Hello everybody, today I'm here to discuss about some Windows 10 issues that we might be facing some of our user, and what issue today I'm going to discuss about the power option and the Windows sliding change background that we won't be given in the control panel. If you look here, you will not be able to get the customization page from where you can select the time dependent for 10 second or 30 second. I had just pasted the link on my website www.solution2turnup.wordpress.com. You can just visit here and just go to the blog section by clicking on blog, and just right now I have uploaded here in the recent post. It will be shown there how to slide so Windows 10 background. Just copy paste the bold lines I have pasted here and just open command prompt by pressing Windows plus R and just paste it here and press OK, and soon you will be redirected to the personalization page with new menu. You can see the changes that here we are not getting on the personalization page, but here on desktop background we are getting. I don't know how is it working. I am still searching on it, but for the user who want to change their background for the time delay action, they can do it from here for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and whatever. Pause the slideshow to the power save. OK, and save changes you can change it to, and you can also see here that many links I have posted here related to Windows 10. And I would also suggest it, if you are having any knowledge about Windows 10 problem, you can just post it here. If you are having any solution, we will be able to know the new facts of Windows 10. And one more thing I would like to discuss, that we are not able to set the power option on the settings. Just type here power options, and by seeing here you can see that power and sleep setting, there are many hidden features. Like on clicking advanced, you will be shown here. What I want to show you is battery saver, battery use. You can also monitor which application is using your battery power and how much you are consuming. You can just control it from here. And in battery settings also, it's not opening in mine, some problem is there. Okay, now it's working. I will show you. See the application what is consuming my the highest battery. You can just manage it from here. And one more hidden feature is that battery saver setting. See, allow push notification from any app while in battery saver. If it will be unchecked, you will not get any notification from the application mail or any other application in the Windows if your PC is not on charging position. So to do that, please check it on. And lower screen brightness, while this is up to you. Always allowed. What application would you like to go on power mode and on charging mode? This is some features. Power and sleep also having sleep 10 minutes, whatever, screen 2 minutes brightness. And in additional power setting, you can just go to the sorry, I got the wrong, just back personalization. And here what I am talking about, that you are not getting the desktop background. So for that you can use the below trick to change it on. Just go to you just visit to my WordPress site, blogging site, and you can search it any solution. You will get there. If the solution is not listed there, just post your query. We will answer you shortly as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and visit to the link called www.solution2turnup.wordpress.com, and please make it the sliding background. It's quite cool for the user to see your desktop. Okay, bye bye.